According to International Diabetes Federation, over 400 million adults in 2019 are living with diabetes and is estimated to rise to 700 million in the year 2045. People all over the world affected by type 2 diabetes are increasing at an alarming rate. It is time to find a solution to this as it has taken so many lives already. Read on to know how and save lives. What is diabetes freedom? Diabetes Freedom is a revolutionary program to help and heal people with diabetes. This solution targets the root cause of diabetes by simply consuming the right blend of nutrients. You will need to combine specific amounts of food and take them at certain times of the day to get the best results. Diabetes is deadly and it can lead to amputation, blindness, heart disease, stroke, dementia, kidney failure and even cancer. There was even a study about diabetes increasing the risk of Alzheimer's disease by 65%. Eventually, you will become a slave to prescription drugs believing you will get better, but you should know by now that diabetes is a billion-dollar industry and for some big companies, profit is all that matters. It is up to you to accept or to question what you were led to believe, that medicines make you better despite the harmful side effects. So, why then are cases of diabetes kept increasing at an alarming rate? This terrible disease will take over your life. You will be limited to do the things you love and restricted to eat the foods you enjoy. Even waking up in the morning or spending time with your loved ones will not be easy. You will never be the same again, but this breakthrough program can change that. It will empower you to regain your health and live the life you enjoy once again. Enjoy life once again. Diabetes Freedom uses a unique phyto-hack to reverse type 2 diabetes. And it does not involve any synthetic medication, impossible exercise routines and difficult diets. Imagine having a simple solution in your hands without having to take drugs that are expensive and can damage your kidneys. You will discover that it is not sugar and carbs consumption which is causing diabetes 2 but a toxic molecule that forces fat cells to spill in the bloodstream, clogging up the vital organs, especially the pancreas, the organ responsible for insulin production. So, to unclog it you need to flush the fat out of your body by adding powerful blend of phytonutrients to your diet. How does Diabetes Freedom work? Follow this program to regain your health and your life. You will be provided with a nutritional plan that reverses type 2 diabetes in less than 2 months. Make sure to eat the food that provides the nutrition that you need. Follow the 7 brown fat boosting metabolic rules to ensure that your type 2 diabetes stays gone, and do the meal timing tricks to stabilize your blood sugar and weight for life. Comprehensive videos and manuals are provided so that you won't have a hard time following the program. Follow the plan and for a few weeks you will be seeing results and you can finally enjoy life again. Advantages: it is a safe and a natural way to reverse a terrible and deadly disease without the need to break the bank or suffer side effects. It is a product of hard work and extensive research. It is super simple so that you can easily follow the steps. It has already saved thousands of lives and made families happy with this life-saving program. There are no side effects. It helps normalize blood sugar levels and body weight. You will get bonuses such as the Fat Burning Blueprint, the Stay Young Forever program and the 33 Power Foods for Diabetics. It comes with a 100%, 60 days money-back guarantee. Disadvantages: it can only be purchased and accessed online. Results may vary from person to person. Are you suffering from diabetes? Do you feel like it has taken over your life and the way you live? Are your loved ones clearly affected by it? If so, free yourself from it with Diabetes Freedom. Take control of your health with simple steps that anybody can do without worrying about your finances and harmful effects. This program is scientifically proven and a product of research. Regain your health, be healthy, be happy and start living a new life free from diabetes.